In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Kajabi, perfect for complete beginners who are eager to share their knowledge with the world. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up your very own course on this dynamic platform. First, you'll want to start by logging into Kajabi. Simply head over to the Kajabi website and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you'll find everything you need: your site, various products, and a suite of marketing tools all at your fingertips. Now, let's dive into creating a new product. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Products. Click on it and you'll find a button for Plus New Product. Click this, and here you should choose Course. Kajabi offers various other options like coaching, memberships, and communities, so it's essential to pick what's right for you. Choosing Course will automatically set up a structured template, streamlining the creation process for you. Once the structure is set, it's time to name your course. Enter a clear, descriptive title that resonates with your content, something like Instagram Marketing 101, for instance. Alongside your title, consider adding a subtitle or description to provide clarity about what your course will cover. Don't forget to upload a course thumbnail or cover image. It's optional, but it adds a professional touch to your presentation. Next, let's enhance your course organization with modules and lessons. Kajabi organizes courses using categories, which are your modules, and posts, which are your lessons. For example, Module 1 could be Getting Started, while your first lesson, or post, might be an introduction video. Within each lesson, it's crucial to add your content, be it videos in MP4 or MOV formats, downloadable PDFs, worksheets, or slides, and even text instructions or summaries that help your students follow along. Use Kajabi's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to effortlessly reorder lessons, helping you maintain a logical flow. With the content taking shape, it's time to think about the design of your course. Kajabi bends to your aesthetic will by offering various themes. You'll be able to customize colors, fonts, layout, and even incorporate your branding such as your logo and brand colors. This customization ensures that you provide a clean, professional experience for your students, enhancing their learning journey. Having set up your course, you'll want to focus on pricing. Navigate to the Offers section and click New Offer to connect your course with a pricing model. Whether you opt for a one-time payment, a subscription, or a payment plan, Kajabi supports it all. Be sure to connect your Stripe or PayPal account to facilitate smooth transactions. Finally, you'll want to configure how students access your content. Decide if you want to drip content over time, provide full access up front, or adopt a membership-style model with ongoing access and recurring billing. Once you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and hit Publish to make your course live. Before you promote it, test the course like a student. Ensure videos load correctly, downloads are easy to access, and the navigation is seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching an engaging and effective course on Kajabi. Thanks for joining me today, and happy course creating!